So once you've opened the bonnet, it's just a case of removing the 5 8mm hex bolts at the top of the bumper. Really easy, they shouldn't be too tough to get out. And then it's a case of removing the 4 8mm hex bolts either side of the bumper. So you shouldn't have to remove the wheel to get access to these. So there's this one on the side here, and then there's one that's vertical. And then you have 4 more 8mm hex bolts on the underside of the bumper, as well as 4 quick release screws. A few of mine were missing, but it's not really a problem. They're quick and easy to replace. And then you need to ideally use a pry tool, or just be careful using a screwdriver, but there are 4 push tabs in these locations, and you'll hear them click, and then the bumper will sort of start to give way. So then when you've released the tabs on both sides, just pull one side and then it will start to come away, and then just a case of going to the other side and doing the same. When you pull it off, just be careful because the wires will still be attached, and they're a little bit short, and they're sort of clipped into the back of the bumper. So just when you've unclipped it, find it somewhere nice and safe to lay down. But literally just throwing the bumper back on, clipping it back in place. And this is the state of the clips that are used to kind of mount the bumper. Obviously they're terrible condition, and that's the part number if you need to replace. There is a mounting kit you can get. So this is direct from BMW. This is the part number, and it has all the bolts and screws and everything you're ever going to need. And I think it's about less than 20 quid, so well worth it.